I lied about working on the page. What we're going to do next is actually go to our menu and set the menu up. Because right now that is not currently, the page we made is not currently part of it. So go to Appearance, Menus, and then you'll see here, right now the menus are being, oh, again, I accidentally made this one. Let me delete this. Right now the menus are being made automatically by just auto updating the whatever pages you have, just putting them in there. So we're not really particularly controlling them. So what we want to do is actually make our own menu that we can control and place the items and stuff. So if you look at my website, for instance, I have the classes, and underneath the classes, or the course names, and then underneath that I have like class 1, class 2, and then some of those have sub ones as well. That wouldn't happen by default. I'd have to make a menu, which is what I did. So that's what we want to do here. So we're just going to go ahead and do main menu is what we'll name it. And we're just going to call it our primary menu. So you see this primary, secondary, footer. Right now, we're not going to turn this one on because we're just going to do it ourselves. So hit create menu. Did it do it? Okay. Okay, there it goes. So now we've made a menu. That's great, but it doesn't have any items in it. It's an empty menu. So then what we're going to do is I'm going to click on View All, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on Select All. You can check all the ones. I'm just going to put them all in there, but eventually I would take off these two to my home page and whatever other sub pages I would have. So I have a bunch of pages on my own sites that I just aren't actually live, like they're not part of anything. That would be the case here. But just so we have items, I'm going to put those in there. And then you can reorganize them. Like I can put this one here, put this one here, put this one here, make it a sub menu item. But we'll just leave it like that. That's fine. And then we'll hit Save Menu. Okay. And this will be the main menu. So this will actually show up at the top because that's what it does by default. They do have a Manage Locations section. So primary menu is the main menu. But if I had other menus, so you can make other ones and put them in the other things, we're not going to be doing that. But just be aware. Because it's also, there's actually a module that's a menu module that you can use. You can make other menus and put names in them and then drop those in there too. But that's not something we're worried about. So that should be good.